What's going on, guys? I would like to give you some tips about how to take care of your cars by maintaining the good smell of it. What I mean is putting a good scent. This is aside from making it clean. What you can do is to put some scents. Po pwede makatulong para bumango yung kotse nyo. Alright, I want to share with you tatlong klase ng, or actually two brands, but I have three types of air freshener that I use, which I think are very good. Alright, so let's get on to it. I have three, like I mentioned. Alright, so these are the three air fresheners that I use. Alright, so number one, I guess. Alright, so this is a Air Spencer air freshener, item number 672, Marine Squash. So that's what I use. Now, when you buy this, ganito siya, right? Now, all you have to do is to remove the cap. There is a cap dito. You just remove that. There is another right here. Pero what you want to do is remove just one side of it. Once you're done with this, probably after 1 month, then you can switch it over. Make use of the other side, cover that, and then peel the cap on this side. Right, as you can see, I already had both sides, so gamit na siya. The reason I like this very much is I probably have this for 4 months already, if I remember that right, or even more, and still smells very good. Price of this, by the way, is $299 if I'm not mistaken. That is again Air Spencer Marine Squash. Alright, so here's my number two. This brand is a California scent. Specific scent is, it's a Golden State Delight. I like it because it's a little bit fruity for me. Price at $199.75. It says here it lasts for 60 days. Yeah, it still smells good. Oops, it's about to rain. How about that? Alright, so anyway, so that's the reason why I like it. Alright, so number three on my list. Actually, I am confused with the two. If I'm gonna rank these two, I would both of them on number two. Right, so the next one is a Fresh Linen. It's also by California Scent. So obviously it's also it also lasts for about 60 days. Its price, it's I think magkaibang store kung saan sila binili. This is $195, this is $199.75, almost 200 pesos. The Air Spencer is a little bit expensive, pero sabi ko nga kabilaan siya, so that's a good thing about it. Pero you know, if you have two sides, then you maybe are saving some money because of that reason, and of course because of the scents. Anyway, going back to this, it's Fresh Linen. For those guys na hindi makahanap ng new car scent, this is probably the replacement of that. That's what I like about it, because even, I mean, I've tried this once na kahit, you know, that alimuong kind of smell, like yung medyo amoy alikabok, when you have that kind of smell in your car and you use this, it will take some time, but as long as you keep your car malinis, then definitely that smell would go off in just a matter of time. It will go off. This is what I recommend as well. I don't know if this is already available sa lazada.com.ph. This is a Shaldan Cool Fresh. Alright, it smells good, but and it's also got this Marine Squash. If you are looking for cheaper alternative, I guess this is the cheapest I can get. It's only 50 pesos, so it's really cheap. Problema nga lang, it probably would last only for, masaya ka na kung may isang buwan. So, but again, if you are looking for something very cheap, my recommendation though is, you know, inside your car, huwag mo masyadong titipirin. Because obviously, inaamoy mo yun araw-araw, especially if you're inside your car. Nakakainis pag mabaho. It's already raining, so okay. Well, that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Oh, let me just show you something. This windshield, by the way, has been coated with a G-Technique coating. It hasn't been washed for probably 4 days already. I'll just show you kung ano yung itsura ng windshield na to. You know, the effect of the G-Technique glass coating, ceramic coating, you know. Alright, so let me show it to you. Look at that, diba? That's so nice. Okay, look at that. Diba? Napakaganda. Yeah, I use a G-Technique glass coating or ceramic coating on the windshield, on the paint, as well as on trims. There are specific type of products na ginagamit on every area of a car. But I like this very much. I only tested it, probably put the coating on this maybe 5 months ago already. Okay, and I'm very happy. Take note of this, by the way. Dinadaanan ng wiper to, so possibility pagka dinadaanan ng wiper, you know, it's got bigger possibility na na-wipe off yung, you know, yung solution. But the good thing about this is look at that. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm working on a lot of things to improve this channel, improve my videos. So I really appreciate the support.